Hey everybody, I have a new camera. I was gonna do a different take, but I was like, let's just go with it. But yes, I have a new camera. I hope you like it. Yeah, it's wider, it's cooler, so yeah. But today, I'm doing a different video of me not just doing my makeup for the millionth time. I'm gonna show you my makeup. Instead of doing my makeup, I'm gonna show you it. Okay. This is my um thing I pile most of my makeup in. I try to keep it all in this container. Where did that go? Okay. I guess I'll show you this first then. This is my baking setting powder or whatever I use. It's the Setup Special FX finishing powder by W7. I literally just got a random one off of Amazon and I was like, this looks cool. I'll use this. It's just my eyelash curler that is actually like a million years old. Um, but yeah. This is my bronzer, contour, whatever. I use Pixie X Petra thing in shade. It's it's a fresh face blush apparently in shade Beach Rose apparently. I don't know, but yeah, this is what I use for my like bronzer contour stuff. I try to do vegan and cruelty free makeup for the most part. I might have some not cruelty free things because um people like to give me makeup like friends and I can't control what they do. Don't know what this highlighter is. The Space Case Cosmetics. You cannot see it like at all. I have to go like this. Like go like this to see Space Case Cosmetics, yeah. Okay. And it's just this scene from space in one C. This is the highlighter I use. Concealer that I'm out of right now. I barely have any left. That I use is the Wet n Wild Mega Last Incognito All Day Full Coverage Concealer. So yeah. And I'm like out of it, so my sister got me this for Christmas and I love it. I love it so much. It's the 24-hour brow setter by Benefit. It's packaging cute. Well, packaging, whatever. It's just so cute. I love it. I'm trying to be like a beauty guru, but I have one hand, so it doesn't do justice. And I love this crap. My brows are thick, and it's like accentuates my thick brows, and I love it. I'm not doing this in any order. Whatever I grab is what I grab and show y'all. For mascara, I use the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and it's good. My blush, y'all. You know I love my blush. If you don't know, this actually, I do love my blush. Um, I is the Ilia Beauty multi-stick in A Fine Romance. I have that memorized because I get asked every day, basically, what my blush is. But this I use for my blush. If I can open this. I also use it for lips. Sometimes my lip kind of like faded. So I'm just showing you. Okay. Ta-da. Eyeliner. Where's the other one? Okay. I use the NYX Cosmetics Epic Wear waterproof liners. I have two of them, black and white. So yeah, that's what I do for my eyeliner. Love me some eyeliner. Rest of this is all just like, I use it because I have it type of stuff, but I don't use a lot of it, honestly. So yeah, that's all the stuff I use on the daily. The rest of this is just stuff I don't really use, but I use sometimes to like start using it up. This is my main palette I use, and it's the Spectrum palette by Profusion Cosmetics. And I literally got it from Walmart. I saw a TikTok on this. I found this on TikTok, and it was this person doing a video of like super cheap makeup that is actually really good. And this TikTok was on it, and basically this palette was on that list, and it was so cheap. It's like $8 from Walmart last time I checked, and when I got it, and it does have a bit of fallout, and it could be more pigmented if we're being real here, but you just gotta apply multiple like layers. I like it. I use it. I'm cheap, okay? I don't got money. Who do you think I am? This palette is so dirty. This is a face paint palette. I love it. I adore this palette. It's so dirty. I used to be like, I'm trying to keep my palette clean. No, I gave up. I literally use the front of this palette to like mix things now. Like I use it now to just mix crap. I got this from You Can Be Cosmetics. Again, found it through TikTok. Someone I follow does a really cool face paint, and they showed what they use in. I was like, I need this now, and I got it, and I love it. I just love it, and I've started doing more face paint. But speaking of You Can Be Cosmetics, I was tagging them in a lot of my posts because I love their products. I was using them, and they reached out to me and sent me this a little while back, and I didn't know what they were sending me. They just wanted to send me crap. And it was the You Can Be Cruise Face and Body Painting Palette. And I was like, they have another painting palette? And this is like an oil-based one. This one is water, what's it called? Let me find the word. This palette's water activated. So they're different ones. And obviously they have different shades. And this one's like an oily based one, if that makes sense. But I love these both. That's all my makeup I use on the daily and everything. Hold on. Telling my dog to stay. I'll show you in a minute, the puppers. But I have all of these from You Can Be Cosmetics as well. They sent me with it. And I love these. These are their matte stuff. This isn't sponsored or anything, I promise. This is all just stuff I got sent from them a while back that I just really like and still use. But they're a bunch of matte lipsticks, and I like a lot of them. But yeah, that is all. Me makeup. I'm gonna start putting it back. Get out the way. There's the puppers. He's being... There's the puppers. Alrighties. Wow. Thank y'all for being here and watching the video. I appreciate it. And please like the video if you like the video. If you aren't subscribed, you should really subscribe if you'd like the video, because maybe you like more of my other videos. And comment down below other ideas, video ideas, and I might do yours. So everyone.